Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear off your Facebook activity history. So you want to go down and click on your Facebook, alright? So then you want to click on this three hamburger menu, okay? Then you want to scroll down to settings and privacy, alright? Then you click on settings, okay? Alright, so you want to scroll down to activity log right here, okay? You click on it. Alright, so right here on activity log, you want to click on activity history. Okay, so these are the recent activities you've done recently in this activity history. So all you have to do is just click on three dots and click on delete. Okay, so you can clear your activities and you can filter by categories and dates. Okay, so then you go back and then right here you can see your Facebook activity, so you can manage the activities. These are some of the comments you made. You can click on it and then remove, and that's how to remove a comment or reaction. So this is basically how to clear your Facebook activity. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.